try not to get angry with them. And that's a hard thing to do because the things that are happening while somebody is under the influence of substances is not them. It doesn't justify the behavior. But I will say this, if this is somebody that you love and that you care about and you want them to get better, then the anger and the frustration and the yelling and the judgments and all of these kinds of things actually pushes that person farther away from getting help. So trying to understand that they're a sick person and that the best way that they're going to get help is through you being loving and understanding, but also setting boundaries. Boundaries, I think, are like a spiritual wedge that you can put between you and the person that you love. I do interventions sometimes, and boundaries work. So if son is smoking weed in the house all day and not doing anything, then maybe you need to set some boundaries and say, listen, this needs to happen, this needs to happen, this needs to happen. If we don't see this happening, then you're going to have to end up going to detox or to treatment or whatever it is. The best way you can support somebody who is struggling with addiction is by lovingly setting boundaries and taking care of yourself too. So you got to take care of yourself. If you don't take care of yourself, you're not going to be able to help them. There are Al-Anon meetings, there are other support groups for parents who are going through those kinds of challenges.